Hey guys, and welcome back to the Laws of Physio YouTube page. Today we're going to go through a quick 4-minute breathing exercise routine. For your viewing pleasure, I have included a breathing circle to the left to guide you on your journey today. Today's breathing practice follows a 5-second interval, which means you breathe in for 5 seconds, you hold for 5 seconds, and you breathe out for 5 seconds. As you breathe out at the end, you hold for 5 seconds. As a physiotherapist, we prescribe deep breathing exercises to our patients that are not getting enough air into their lungs. This could just be because they've come out of surgery, or just because they're not in a good posture and they need more air to come through. Commonly, we do see people taking sharp and hard breaths in through their shoulders and their chests. This is neglecting the bottom 2/3 of your lung. So with this breathing exercise, I want you to think about relaxing your shoulders and filling your belly with air. It's okay to have a big belly when you breathe. This means that you're allowing oxygen-rich air and energy to flow into your body. Slow and low is the affirmation that we use during deep breathing exercises. At any time during this practice, if you're feeling dizzy or short of breath, it's okay to take a break. This is meant to be a comfortable practice, so give yourself a bit of time, listen to your body, and let the breath pull the stress out of your body. We use breath holds as a common practice during deep breathing exercises. Breath holds are used to give time for the air to fully inflate the lungs. Your airways are like a house. There is a big entrance that leads to hallways, and these hallways lead to rooms. It takes time for you to walk into your house and visit each room. And the same thing is for air when it comes from outside into your lungs, into your airways, filling the lungs and enriching your body. We complete the breathing exercise with a full exhalation. This is to allow for full range of motion of your lungs. When you're working out your arms, you fully flex at the top and extend at the bottom. So it's important to do the same for your lungs. Full deep breath in, full deep breath out. Take a moment in your day to relax and to switch off from your devices, and let the universe's energy flow through you. As we come to the end of the practice, wiggle your fingers and toes and slowly open your eyes. Thank you for spending some time with me today. I hope you continue to thrive at everything you do today. Until next time, take care.